Keyboard Pulit Pynïaid kali kanong ba shillong kila Tylliat no daka roller ya palat chispa Phraphau Tylli ki modified silencer lani ki tendong penmi tedam kiba penmi jing sawa kibala pendat haki kali bat ki ar shaka ya kiba ki pulit kila kem menta usnam ya gini ki modified silencer la Tylliat menta ka sngi balang ka khatlai tarik no pra arja al phaulai hagi jing don lang USP ka S Khase Hills uba S Nong Tenger USP Shillong City ba Vivek Sim USP Traffic Branch uke prasat nalor ki weipat uba Nong Tenger ulai thu bah uni usnam kila don hadu palat lai Spah Tylli ki kali bat ki arshaka kiba pendat ya ki modified silencer bat la kempat chi Spah Phraphau Tylli nalor ka kuna ya ki balik persya ka bapoi kumba khat ar lak tingka AA.
They should use whatever vehicles has been made by the company, either four-wheelers or two-wheeler.
I just want to add to Sir's thing. There has been a public outcry against these modified exhaust pipes and all that. It's become a social nuisance whereby there's a lot of noise, especially at unearthly hours, and this noise is troublesome for children who are studying at night, for senior citizens and all that. It is very disturbing, and one vehicle or two-wheeler with modified exhaust pipe causes the kind of noise which is actually unbearable. People lose sleep. People they cannot have attend to their studies properly and all that. So this has become, there's been a lot of actually outcry about this and all that. And public, one thing I'd like to thank the public also actually who have given us this information. They would send us numbers. They would send us information over our 112 and also directly to us, for which we have been able to seize all these things. So we appreciate the public support and also the help rendered.
We are doing one at a time. You have seen now we have done all this C's, detected all this modified silencer and so on. So frequently we are checking even this not only for this, we are checking for this rise and nitrogen riding also, and sometimes surprise, and sometimes even the nakas we are checking. So we'll continue, and it's not that we have not done. We have done a lot, but we'll continue to do that to check the people to drive within the permissible speed, be the two-wheelers or be the four-wheelers.
STP and along with the police stations have set up checkpoints in various places, especially at night, to check youngsters who actually have consumed alcohol and drinking. So we are concerned about actually young people driving and drinking and driving. And we also concerned that those people who have not got licenses are driving. So we have actually set up these nakas to check on these things. So after the checking and all that has drastically reduced, but we would urge parents, we would urge their guardians and all that, please do not give two-wheelers when they have not acquired the license, They have not. Also, they are not supposed to consume alcohol when they are planning to drive and all that. So otherwise, it will cause accidents, which we have seen that these accidents are very fatal in nature, especially with two-wheelers. We also urge that we have also conducted surprise checkings in one ways where there is no entry from one side, whereby some people violate no entries, and we have seen also many a time that there have been fatal accidents and loss of lives. So STP is on the job to actually ensure that there is no rash negligent driving, so that lives are saved, and also that there is no social nuisance. So in various forms, this is just one such initiative. No, there are so many others. Loud noise from boom boxes and all that. There are also people using blinkers. Then there are also so many other things, so many other violations than drunken driving and all that, which we are doing and all that. So this will continue.
What called accidents in Shillong city, especially in the highway. So our request is that nobody should drink before they sit in the seat belt, in the steering, or in a two-wheeler. So what about these shops are selling these silencers?
We've taken up that initiative whereby we've urged all these because there's already an order from the deputy commissioner that they are also liable. So we've in the first instance we have already taken up with them that they should stop selling apart from these other items also which are prohibited by the MV Act. And thereafter, if they're still selling, then we will take legal action.